Welcome back. Well, it's a little warm out right now to be thinking about cold weather, but it's the perfect time to be thinking about cold treats.
Yeah, so experience manager at the Imagination Station in downtown Toledo, Amanda Miller, is here with scientific ice cream.
Okay.
National Ice Cream Day is Sunday, so yeah, you have all the tools we need for ice cream.
We do. So we're going to be making some ice cream.
Yeah.
We're going to be doing it on our chill out weekend when the Walleye do a takeover. We're so excited to partner with them. And we'll be doing ice cream shows, so I figured we can do a little
sample here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what's the science behind it all?
So we first have to use some different ingredients. We're going to use 4 different ingredients.
Okay.
So the first one being sugar. So who wants to pour the sugar?
So
we're going to take a whole cup of sugar.
Are you sure that's enough?
That you could even do a little bit more than that. But you want at least a cup of sugar in there. There you go.
It happens.
Because you want to overcome the coldness, so you need extra sugar in there. Okay. And then we're going to
just top it off a little bit.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. We're going to pour a cup of milk in here.
Okay. I think I have the same exact measuring cup at home.
I'm going to do a splash of vanilla.
Okay. Just a little splash.
Just a little splash.
Okay.
And then we're going to pour our heavy whipping cream in there. So we're using whole milk and we're using heavy whipping cream because all those fat molecules will really make it nice and creamy. So go ahead and pour that all the way in there.
Pour the whole thing?
Pour the whole thing in there.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. And you're stirring here.
Yep. I'm going to mix it all up.
Okay.
And then we've got ice cream, right? That's all you need for ice cream.
Maybe just sweetened milk.
Yeah, I think we need a little bit more.
We need a little bit more.
Did you do this when you were in high school, but it was like rock salt or something that we used?
Like it's coming back to me.
Chemistry class.
You know, I feel like my parents, we bought a kit and we did it at home and we tried it.
Right. So now we need something to make it nice and cold. Because ice cream is cold.
It's cold.
So we are going to use liquid nitrogen. Ooh. So I've got my liquid nitrogen here.
That's
We're going to flash freeze it everywhere.
Cool.
So with this liquid nitrogen, it's negative 320 degrees.
Oh my goodness.
Right? So it's really, really cold. And what it's doing is it's freezing those molecules in there. So it's getting little tiny crystals. So it's going to be a lot creamier than the ice cream you get at the store.
Okay.
And also, while I'm stirring it, I'm adding in a little bit of air. Because ice cream is actually mostly air. So if you've ever noticed...
I like to think about that calorie-wise, okay? Can we do that?
If you ever think about like the store and some things like maybe like a dairy substitute, maybe or a frozen dairy treat, it's because it's got too much air in it, they can't call it ice cream. You have to have like a threshold of air in it. And so we've got it.
How do you know like how much you need?
You just kind of feel it. So this one's a little soupy still. Yeah. So we've got a couple. I might do one more.
A little bit more. I like it's in the Yeti over here.
Yeah,
that's cool.
The Yeti.
It works.
Yeti is durable.
It works.
It works. So you're going to be doing this with families next weekend.
Next weekend, July 27th, we're going to be having some different ice cream shows throughout the day. Well, the Walleye do 5 different activities. We're going to have a blow-up hockey rink outside.
Oh, fun.
We're going to have some passing of the puck. We're going to have all sorts of different activities going on.
And kiddos, they love ice cream. So
they sure
doing something
do.
like this and showing them the science behind it, why is it so important to expose them to that?
Not only is science in the classroom or at home and stuff, but it's also in cooking, right? So it's really important to talk about cooking and calories, right? Calories aren't a bad thing. They're just a neutral thing. They're just a measure of like energy, just like not energy, but if you're measuring an inch or a foot, like those aren't bad things, right? So kind of making sure you kind of talk about those things positively with kids. And now we have...
That's ice cream.
That's ice cream.
That's ice cream.
My daughter would love this. I need to get her in because she's into cooking and baking and all this stuff.
So that's
and to know the science there behind it, I think is really cool. I'm going to try it.
And then I also have chocolate syrup if you want to add chocolate syrup on top.
Just a little drizzle.
Just to make it
ice cream.
Right.
Okay. Ooh. Okay, you have another event coming up too. Yeah,
so we have an adult event. So
you talk about Steamy. This is Steamy, but this event is Steamy.
We have Steamy Science. It's coming in August 23rd, so it should be a really fun time. It's for 21 and over. It's an evening event. And so it's all about the science of attraction, and we're going to have all sorts of different activities to kind of go with that. So there will be lots of fun stuff.
What kind of experiment? What are we talking? What kind of things?
So we'll have like a super taster table, so you can tell whether you're a super taster or not. Right. We'll have some body oil massage classes that you can do. All sorts of different things that are going to be happening throughout the building.
And that's 21 and up, though.
Yep, that one is a 21 and up.
And what's the date on that again?
That's August 23rd.
Okay.
So we'll be doing that one as a 21 and over event. And then we've got Walleye as a family-friendly event.
And that's on the 27th.
That's on the 27th of July.
Okay.
Yep.
This is so good.
It tastes like ice cream?
It tastes like, it's really good.
And the Walleye Takeover event is free with admission. So you just kind of come hang out with us that day and learn all about hockey.
Yeah. It has a nice thick texture.
It does. And it's sweet. It's ice cream. It's really good.
Nice.
It's definitely better than the homemade kind that I made in chemistry class. I messed that part of it up, I think. But this is delicious. A really great opportunity for the kids to come out, learn a little something, have a nice treat, get to see the hockey players too.
Yeah.
It'll be really fun for them.
Yeah, and then for the adults, maybe you're looking to steam things up, or maybe you're looking for somebody.
And trying to get just the science behind how to attract someone to you too, right?
It could be very smart of you to attend.
Might find someone there too.
You might. You might. Hey, thanks for coming this morning. That was great.
Thanks, Amanda. Thanks for making ice cream too.
That was
really
fun.
We'll be back with more Good Day. Make sure you stay with us.